market cipher, you don't know what you're missing. But now you know. You're missing life-changing opportunity, confidence, vision.
I'ma buy low, then I'ma sell high. Bloody red Ferrari when you see me fly by. My brokers think I'm crazy cause I'm taking all these chances. Chances, 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 chances. I'ma buy low, then I'ma sell high. Bloody red Ferrari when you see me fly by. Brokers think I'm crazy cause I'm taking all these chances. Chances, 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 chances. I came a long way from nothing, now I'm paddle shifter clutching. Hit the gas on a popo, disappeared like a no-show. All eyes on me when I'm in the Rari like I'm Tupac. And it's plain to see, in my pant pockets I got big knots. I just left the bank, can't believe they ran out of hundreds. And it made me think, what the hell the government got coming? It's a shortage on the change, but ain't no shortage on these stocks. I'ma keep on making trades, candlestick bust through the top. Market cipher got me hella rich, ain't no turning back. Taking chances like roulette, favorite color red and black. Whip too fast for the street, so I had to take it to the track. I remember that apartment, I ain't never going back. Whip too fast for the street, so I had to take it to the track. I remember that apartment, I ain't never going back. I'ma buy low, then I'ma sell high. Bloody red Ferrari when you see me fly by. My brokers think I'm crazy cause I'm taking all these chances. Chances, 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 chances. I'ma buy low, then I'ma sell high. Bloody red Ferrari when you see me fly by. Brokers think I'm crazy cause I'm taking all these chances. Chances, 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 chances. I got about 500 computers in the undisclosed location. Wanna learn how to trade? Join the Crypto Face Foundation. I'm just mining all these coins while I'm minding my own business. All this money that I'm making, it's gonna be a Merry Christmas. All this power that I'm pushing, I'm just trying to drain the swamp. Making Bitcoin great again, but my name ain't Donald Trump. Iced out like Antarctica. Push button, start a car. 300 pips in the green, call me Spartacus. Can't see my face, mask on, I'm anonymous. Legally robbing banks, you can keep the hostages. Me and the team, I don't need no more accomplices. I said it and I meant it, girl, but I can't make no promises. Me and the team, I don't need no more accomplices. I said it and I meant it, girl, but I can't make no promises. I'ma buy low, then I'ma sell high. Bloody red Ferrari when you see me fly by. My brokers think I'm crazy cause I'm taking all these chances. Chances, 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 chances. I'ma buy low, then I'ma sell high. Bloody red Ferrari when you see me fly by. Brokers think I'm crazy cause I'm taking all these chances. Chances, 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 chances.
So if you resent and you're jealous of people who have success, prosperity, and money and wealth, you will reject that away from yourself.
The market crashed on me, but that's not my last, homie. It ain't over for me. It ain't over for me. The market crashed on me, but that's not my last, homie. Only one logical thing to do. don't trip. By the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip. By the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip. By the dip, get my chips and dip. Hot on coins and watch me flip. In and out, I'm stacking pips. Market look embarrassed. By the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip. Sour cream and onion dip. Scoop it with some ruffle chips. Sink them like Titanic ship. Bartender, here's a tip. Crypto face is the truth. He can even show you proof. This is market cipher school. Rory made you say, ooh, wish I had one too. Making plays on trading view. Waiting on a blue triangle. I just call it Blues Clue. Portfolio diversified. Keep my balance classified. Scared to look, you terrified. But when you did, you almost died. It was all good before you went to sleep. Woke up to a surprise. Couldn't believe your eyes. Where the hell did your money go? You like, oh my God,
What the fuck happened?
Bitcoin dumping in my sleep.
Woke up to a market sweep.
That's the reason
Good
I don't
morning,
sleep. Keep my
folks.
eyes on the prize. Bought some hex.
We got some pencil necks in that chat. Where were you last week when I was down 40K? Bitch. We're gonna call them out today. If you see them, point them out. When you already got something you
Don't trip. The market crashed on me, but it's not my ass home. It's time to rise up out the flames like a motherfucking phoenix, flying high in the sky. And I motherfucking mean it. Put it all on the house. I can't help it cause I'm greedy. Got a family, gotta feed it. All my followers, man, they need me. We can all get rich together. Talk
No,
about
I'm actually
BTC, ETH, XRP, that's a threesome. Three-way. Blockchain tokens got your boy really eating. Cryptocurrency is a gift
kind
from
of
God.
dual
All
tasking
praises to
here.
the Most High. Help me beat the odds, playing smart, so I don't get wrecked like you pencil next. Wear a crew, call me Spider-Man, the way I spider line. Until we position, then I exit trades right on time. Might tell you a secret, but
Let's put something, let's see here.
Sitting back, watching candles climb. If they go the other way, keep calm and don't trip.
Trip.
By the dip, 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 by the dip.
Don't trip.
By the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip. By the dip.
Yeah, man, when I got that long, it was like 120K. Took the 100. I just took the money, and got back in. Another looking like another 100K. Tap 30K. I wonder if there's any quote unquote news. Let's see. Yeah, I wonder if there's any news. What do we want to listen to? Oh, I guess we'll just do the Gentleman Radio. If I can find it here. Here we go, little gentleman. You know, I kind of have I got a take. I don't know if it's a hot take. SEC gave up Ripple case. Is it that big of a deal? What is good news is the price is moving on good news. Any news. I think. Oh shit. No. Not gonna lie. Getting boosted in Scarlet Monastery real quick. But I'm getting out of this, so I'll be able just to focus on you guys. Oh, I'm locked. Yeah, that's me. I'm locked. It's me. Faux show. I'm good. All right. Okay. All right, anyways. So yeah. I actually believe that this position's entry is actually better than it's a little bit it's better than my exit on the last trade. But I think the last trade was bigger. I think the last trade was like 2.5. And this is 2.189. Yeah, we just fired up the WoW again, me and my brother and one of our employees. We just fired up the old classic WoW again. But man, what a beautiful. Let's take a look at the. Let's take a look. Oh shit. You guys are getting you guys kind of got a semi how's everything sound? Does it sound good when I cough in the microphone? 99. Anyways, so yes, last trade, pretty sure it got up to 300,000 at one point. I saw it at 250, but just based on the measurements and calculations, yes. But I think we took 120 grand, and it was what we ended up making off that. I just fired this puppy off, and now it's up 100 grand. And so this has been some good trading. Good trading. Got a couple pencil necks mad. They're back. You know. I will stream whether I am in the green or if I'm in the red. Let's dissect it a little bit. Let's dissect it a little bit. I kind of need a snack though. My stomach is empty. Beautiful little trigger wave right here. I mean, just on the daily. We're on the day. Look at these RSIs really tightened up right here. Dang. They tightened up. The original target for my previous trade was, of course, this 30s. Well, really, wherever it would land along the spider line. So, hell, 32, 33. $32.33. Am I back in Crow? No. But how does it look? Let me, hang on. I think I might have a sandwich. Let me grab that. I'm starved. We have great news. Thank you, Albert. We do listen. We stream it all, baby. Wins, losses. Certainly more wins than losses. We've been doing this for 8, 9, almost a decade now, years. We have some people flopping. We have some people flopping. This money flow, that money flow. Man, what was the, there was, is it the 30? What was this? This is it. Okay, the hourly. So I was just looking at the hourly. I'm loving, obviously, this money flow coming up where it's at before even here. Damn, that was on that big can. That was on the big candle, and there's still room. There's always gonna be divergences of some sort. Minister is stale. But it's good. Let's look at Pepe. Let's look at the Pepe. We're gonna look at my jaw is getting a workout right now. Pepe. Where did I get in on Pepe? All right, let me just I'm gonna see how much profit I'm in on Pepe or loss, because I just bought 20,000 of it flat again, just like last time. Woo! Man, I have grown this little account here this month. We grew this little account this month, and I've withdrawn a couple times. Okay, so I'm actually down still on Pepe. I'm at $19,345. I bought 20,000. I'm actually up on Pepe S. What I thought was Pepe. There's some friction in the chat. I think there's some people that are missing this move. Maybe they were shorting against this move. What did you guys do? Or were you guys in this?
Gentlemen.
Oh, well, I'll fight. Let's go, baby. You know, how could you not be in it? You know what I'm saying? When I exited that last trade, it was one of those times where it just don't feel right not to be in it. But we had to, I wanted to secure that bag. It was up to 300K, 250, 300. That would have been nice. But the past is the past, and shoulda, coulda, woulda. Doesn't matter. Knocking on that 30K door. And there is still plenty of, well, Kind of that nice curvature again. Beautiful. What time frame is this? The 2 hour? Man, what a beautiful basic strategy. Green dot, momentum, money flow. Yo, it came up, yay. Price went ham, consolidated, and on the very next trigger wave, wham. That's some bull market stuff, man. This is the 2 hour. This is doing it on the 2 hour. That's. I'm gonna have to look back at 2019 and see if it looked anything like this before it dumped back down. The 1 hour, same thing. This tightened up really well. This is a Cerberus. We have a little Cerberus on the momentum, and man, that is some bull run looking stuff. That is indeed what we see, and it is indeed what we do. We take these. Yeah, so, I mean, we got the whole day ahead of us. This is an area of, resistance. We can draw some little support lines and resistance lines here. We've been knocking on the door. Been knocking on the door, and this time it went up a little more for a little longer than this time, and maybe this time it'll go up for even more and even longer. And you know what this looks like? This looks like this. It's basically a fractal. Call it a fractal. Yeah. What is this? The 8-day? Damn, look at that, man. Look at that curvature. Look at that curvature. Look at that curvature. I think man, we're probably going to be printing money again, a shit ton of it. And I think the markets should overall go up, because what do you don't want to hold cash. You want to hold companies and investments and other stuff. You don't want to hold cash. This went up to 30,609 on that first run up, and this one it was at 30,283. Let's see, 28,548. 548. What? My mouse is being like sticky today. It's sticky. Okay, get rid of these. Jeez. Let's do it manually. I'll just do it manually. Let's call it there. And damn, we're on a big ass time frame. No wonder. And we want to see 15%. 15% of, yeah, that'd be like another 300K if we can get up there. Yeah, so we've been kicking some butt. And Bitcoin 30K. It feels like it's been so long since it actually feels like it's been so long. And I guess it hasn't. Dixie going down, Bitcoin going up, brother. I don't know what you mean. The Dixie looks like it's just been coming down here on the 15. You know, it had its little twig thing, almost like a head and shoulders right now. You lost 5K because your copy trader went to short. How can we fix that? Well, yeah, that's your first problem. You're copy trading. You should be able to exit the trade. It just enters it for you. Just get out of it, I think, and then disable that shit. I muted for? Yeah, I was wiggling on the stem. That was kind of a long one. That was a long one. I wasn't really saying anything important. Yeah, I wasn't really saying anything important. I don't even really remember what I was saying. But, damn, this looks good, baby. Come on, keep it coming. I'm yearning for bigger trades. I'm yearning for the old days where, you know, I was doing 10 million, 20 million. Maybe all, you know, we can start out maybe another 4 million. We've been sticking with 2 milli trades for a while. That's kind of been the sweet spot. Yeah, you know what, Hogwart? I actually bought a new microphone. It is a godly sounding microphone, but I haven't hooked it up. My friend has it. I actually bought it because of how he sounded on his. So I bought the same microphone, but it's got a lot of shit I gotta like put together, and but yeah, we got a real. There is a real microphone in the building. That's correct. I'd be up $1 million if this position was 10x. I'd be up. You know, if it was 21 million instead of 2 million, it would be 1 million profit. And man, I haven't done it, you know, that too many times. It's been maybe a good handful where I've made, you know, at least $1 million on, you know, a little trade session there. They're nice to have. I would like to have them again soon. Are you trolling, bro? Are you trolling? Why did you put yourself in that kind of a situation, man? Yeah, the trading wars was kind of fun. But I'm like, we got to mix it. It was the first week. We definitely got to mix up the teams on each day. Or else, you know, I mean, and plus you want to have people talking shit to each other on the other team instead of our own team cannibalizing ourselves. But it was funny. There was definitely some flopping and groping. There was some flopping. There was some groping. 5-week pump to 30K. I don't know what you're talking about. I mean, we were seeing bear divs. Listen, man, there's more than just. I don't know what you're looking at, to be honest with you. I mean, I don't know. I think people kind of, just because something has a quote unquote divergence a little bit doesn't mean it's like, oh, it's gonna stop right there and go the way you want it to. There's a lot of other factors. Yeah, I don't really know what divs you're talking about, bro. What divs, bro? What divs? What gives, bro? What divs? Well, like, yeah, you don't hear? Yes, it came down teeny in the red, back big in the green. You know? I mean, this is just shit that happens. It's right here. Shit happens. That's what happens when money flows coming in. We've been going through the last damn near 3 years. We've been dealing with the opposite of this, where it's been red, little green. Oh, please, red. And here. There we go. We had a hard momentum stop, money flow creeping up. No more 3 amigos. Listen, the amigos aren't going anywhere. They will always be here. The amigos are not. The amigos are benign. They are neutral. They are nor bearish or bullish. They are just themselves. As far as the money flow, I think it does. I think they do. They play out a lot more on momentum waves. We don't really see that many like actual identifiable. I mean, a head and shoulders is just like a kind of like a shitty circle. Like that's we like circles. That's really what you want is semicircles. I use my creation, Market Cipher. There are many different indicators and indications in Market Cipher. There's Market Cipher A, B, SR, and everything in between. 20% off with code CFETF. MarketCipherTrading.com. Yeah. That was this was a good little exciting move here. Yeah, CF ETF 20% off. You long the top and getting smashed? Bro, you ain't getting that smashed. Which top did you long? This one or the one that just happened? You're supposed to take trades that speak to you, where you can't refute. The next spider line is like at 32, 33,000. Is this our entry for point 20? 28, 25, 48. I'm not seeing this definitely start shorting talk, bro. I'm not seeing this definite stuff. I mean, the price is gonna wiggle. It's gonna go up and down, but I'm not seeing. Has anyone ever, like, caught their teacher on a dating app before? Like, have you ever seen, like, Mrs. Wiggins? Oh, shit, that's Mrs. Wiggins on your dating apps. Right on, Pablo. Appreciate it, brother. money flow was really it's curving up. I mean, it looks good. It looks like it could really just be. It looks like right here or here. We could have some serious. Have something serious. In a perfect world, it would be 32, 33,000 where our Spidey line is, but in a perfect world, we already busted through this one. This was the first target. We were all the way down this channel. It's like it's wave it. Just a bear stiff on the 3-minute. Fuck it all. But I'm liking this. I'm liking this upward curvature of the money flow. The RSIs are tight. They're fused together. And this price is I told you guys I bought like a big amount of Bitcoin this week. And the price is certainly over that price that I paid OTC. Your boy had to do a little OTC order. The momentum wave is still no signs of closing on the 4-hour. That's the 4-hour. No signs of closing on the 3-hour. That's the 3-hour. The 2-hour. It's still pretty much no signs of closing. It was a little thicker. It's come in, but it's still chilling. The 1-hour is barely doing anything on the momentum wave. It's thick. It does not have strength right here to push it down. This is thick. And you know what? Buying OTC was cheaper than fucking everything else. Normally buying crypto when you buy crypto off like Coinbase or something. These whales take care of each other, man. They give each other really good prices, and I just so happen to fall into this network. Good network. Well, let me correct that statement. I had to pay a little premium on the price of Bitcoin. So the price I bought the Bitcoin, you can't eat Bitcoin, you can't take Bitcoin. Have you ever been to a steel factory? It takes focused energy. Focused energy. And that's Bitcoin. What was I saying? So I paid like $150 over what was the time Bitcoin was, whatever price it was. I paid like 150 more as far as the price goes. But as far as the fees, man, the fees were oh so small. Sometimes, Sergey, yes, sometimes, but at the same time, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Like this specific trade, I didn't signal it. When you get people shouldn't have to need me. They have everything they need, and that philosophy, there's definitely times where listen, we chop it, the chopping's good. It ebbs and flows. Sometimes I don't post anything for months on end. Months. And then it just sparks back again. Yes, the Ratatouille, he's still at large. I should. I mean, I could check the traps again, but I'd hear. I feel like we'd hear him. I'd hear him if he was in one of them little things. My dog would start barking or something. So no, Ratatouille's at large. I think he maybe ran into my bedroom. I've been willing to bet he's sleeping on my own damn pillow right now as we speak. You sound like you had a rat in your room having babies. What does it sound like? It's like. They're all red and ugly. Yes, I have KYC. Daniel, if you want a non-KYC solution for an exchange, look in the description, ZOOMEX. You can use ZOOMEX. Or you can pay $200 or $300 and be an official resident of the Republic of Palau.
Gentlemen, in the mix.
Who'd you meet, Valesco? Has anyone done the Palau thing? Maybe. Maybe. Hell, for $200, $300, it's worth a shot. Yeah, well, this is some exciting stuff here. This is some exciting stuff. What time is it? Okay, the time's going by. This might be another... Oh my gosh. You guys. Oh my. We finally... Okay. Do you know how I know that we may potentially be in a little bull run? They have Carl from the Moon on the front page of CNBC. Look at him. This is evil Carl from the Moon. He's actually Carl from America. Solar stocks tumbling 3 low. Solar end drops 25. Demand warning. Blockbuster Microsoft deal. Gaming giants are still seeing. Anyways, good for Carl being on the front page of CNBC. What other? I went long on AVAX in the show, on the Trading War show. What's that at? It was like 9030. I got it at 9065. I made like $3. Whoops. Oh yeah, it's definitely gone up. It's definitely gone up. I got it at 9060. Bada bing. And it's gone up 2%. I've missed out. I've definitely missed out. They should have, you know what they should have? Naked women's UFC. Just have two naked chicks fighting each other.
Gentlemen in the mix.
A little bit of a 3-minute divergence coming down. The divergence. All right, so having a little breather here. We're going to see what happens with this trigger wave. If it's just going to be, maybe it'll have its own little anchored trigger wave too, and then just be the same thing as this, but above and beyond.
A notable peak in the impact rate of cosmic dust activity.
Is it true Gary Gensler quit? Or is that just is that just clickbait?
A notable peak in the impact rate of cosmic dust activity.
All right, let's take a look. See here. I do believe CFETF, all one word, is still available for a 20% off coupon. It's your dream to buy Market Cipher, bro? What do you mean it's your dream, bro? Where do you live?
Peak in the impact rate of cosmic dust activity.
How do you read Hike and She? You just look at it. Just like a normal candles, or, you know. it just gives you, it's prettier looking. There's more patterns. It's averaged out. The Japanese that created both candle types prefer Daikonichi. It is the newer and improved of the two. Oh, here we go. Coinbase is confident that U.S. Bitcoin to be approved. Let's read this stupid article. He doesn't say anything. Fuck this. What do I use to keep track of crypto news? Nothing, bro. I don't keep track of crypto news. That you people, you guys, tell me my crypto news. Yeah, I don't know, folks. I don't know. I'm running out of steam. This is where I play fucking World of Warcraft or Diablo or something to let past time go by. Yeah, I don't like the, there's nothing like the old Counter-Strike. That was the best one. AS Oil Rig, that was like my favorite map back in the day. Yeah, folks. Fuck, this is boring. Yeah, I know, bro. It had its pump, and now it's just dead in the water. Dead in the water. But whatever. We're up 92,000. This guy is such a douche. Ben McKenzie. This is the guy who looked like he smelled cheese every time you talk about crypto. He goes, oh, Bitcoin's a scam. He wrote a book. He wrote a book. I can't believe this guy. He's an actor. Look at this pose. Why are you, is your finger in your eye? Let me put my finger in my eye. That'll make me look smart.
Gentlemen in the mix.
Yeah, that's a horrible, horrible pose. Horrible pose. God, it's terrible. Oh, all right. Oh, we got a little bit of a move here. We got a little bit of a move. Oh. Illuminati pose, yeah. See if I can find the video of him. What's his name again? Ben. Oh, hang on. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Was it just okay? It's Ben McKenzie. All right, let me look up Ben McKenzie now that I'm blind. Oh my gosh, we're dumping. We should have taken profits. We should have taken profits.
Welcome to the broadcast. Thank you so much for being here.
So great to see you again, my friend.
Ben, a lot of people don't know this, but you and I have had this weird relationship over the years where we talk over email about all kinds of subjects under the sun, starting with corporate espionage and now on to cryptocurrency. How is it that you got from
Is
Hollywood
this
to a crypto
him?
conference in Miami?
He looks horrible.
Well, it's a long story. I'll try to keep it short. We want to save some of it for the book we have coming out next year, Easy Money. But we're have a degree in economics. I haven't used it much in 20 years. The dismal science is not something you talk about around the craft service table at Hollywood Productions. But over the pandemic,
Is this it? Is this it?
I had a lot of time on my hands and I have a degree in economics. I wanted to make money initially. I didn't know what to invest in. I'd never invested in the stock markets. I got high and I thought I should write a book. And then I woke up and I didn't know how to write a book.
That's not it. Is this it? Is this it?
Sam Bankman-Fried has become the face.
Regulated market, but because the crypto market, they tacked it on to the extradition because you can't two different regulatory. What drew me into this was it felt like testified in front of Congress. This has all the hallmarks of all three guilds. I support my unions. It's difficult for us.
All right, boring. It's too loud. All right. Yeah, you know, we probably should have taken profits. We probably should have. Man, ain't no one took your short from the chat, bro. Get the fuck out of here, man. But if you got in short, I'm happy for you, buddy. If the price is going your way, good for you. Yeah, let it ride. Yeah. Listen, every trade we have flopping and groping, I'm tired though. I'm fucking tired. I'm standing up so I don't fall asleep again. Did I kill the mouse? No, he's still around here somewhere. I got a feeling he's hiding in my room. Oh, would you look at that? The Dixie came back up. No wonder. No wonder.
Knowing that you're in a place listening to something that will change your soul. House music has made me cry.
Listen, guys, I'm sorry. I'm sorry this is an exciting stream. This is like a pointless stream.
Times when I couldn't see the light.
I wanted to stream because we were in the green.
Downtimes. And house music has lifted me.
But
It's encouraged me to do what I want.
I think it's bedtime for me. I need to go to sleep.
I don't care what anyone says. I don't want to listen to anything else. Deep house.
You wouldn't be able to sleep knowing there's a rat in your house? What do you think's been happening to me, bro? I'm paranoid every cupboard, every step I take, everything I step on, I think is a rat. I'm afraid to even put my feet on the ground. I've been sitting Indian style in my chair. I'm gonna sleep outside. I'd feel safer outside. Buy your katana off. Bro, listen. Is it a real katana? I want a real samurai sword is what I want. I want a clean, unused, like, well, when I say unused, I mean like in perfect condition. A real beautiful, just like the samurai swords from Kill Bill when she's looking at all the different colors. And just every samurai sword from Hattori Hanzo looks so badass. And I bought a new knife a couple weeks ago. Got a new little Benchmade. Love Benchmade knives. And I went to this knife store I'd never been to, where they had so many cool knives and chef knives and shit. And I was like, what I really want is a fucking samurai sword. Because she was like, this is some Japanese guy that makes these chef knives. Something Gukanzo. And I asked him if they knew anyone. I was like, man, come on. Can you figure out who can make me a samurai sword? And the lady said no. Okay. All right, folks. I'm gonna go get some sleep, and what am I doing with this? Am I staying in it? Are we staying in it? Find out next time. Alright, I'll see you guys. Again, I apologize for the boring stream. I apologize for the boring stream. But, you know, We've been trading good, and I'm happy. I'm happy with the Discord, and I'm happy with you guys and gals. So, have a good rest of your day. Is it Friday today? What? I don't even know what day is it today. Wow, it's Friday. Wow. Wow. I guess that means we're not going to bed. Alright, I'm going to bed. And I'm going to get out of here while the price is slightly moving up. Toodaloo and thank you. I'll see you guys later. Bye.